Hey, Amy from the blog of LostBeingLife.com, and today I want to show you how to make the easiest homemade body wash. Now this DIY body wash has only like 3 ingredients, and it takes like 2 minutes to whip up. It's super simple. All you're going to need to make this is distilled water or water that has been boiled and cooled, and that is because since it is a water-based product, we want to inhibit any potential of like bacteria and stuff growing. We're going to use Castile soap and some vegetable glycerin. Now, if you don't have vegetable glycerin, it is very simple to find. You can find it on Amazon. You can find it usually at like a natural grocery store, even at our natural co-op that has like a big bulk section. You can actually find it in the bulk section there, and you can just get a little bit if you don't want to buy a whole bottle. But this adds a lot of moisture to your skin. It also really helps with the sudsing power of it. And then we're going to get some essential oils, and you can use whatever essential oils that you like. You can do something more relaxing like lavender or chamomile, or you can do something more awakening like spearmint or peppermint, something like that. So usually I just stick with a basic lavender or chamomile or geranium. It's also very good for your skin, something like that. So right now I have 1/3 cup of distilled water, and then I'm going to add 1/3 cup of Castile soap. I usually use this is the baby mild kind because I like the unscented version. That way I can add whatever scent that I want. So I'm going to add 1/3 cup of that, and then 2 tablespoons of vegetable glycerin. Now if you don't have this, like I said, you can use honey instead. I really like the moisture and how it really makes it, helps suds it up. Mix it up. Make sure everything is combined really, really well. And then I'm going to add some essential oils. If you do use something like spearmint or peppermint, you just want to add 1 or 2 drops. It can be very overpowering. And so if you're going to mix the essential oils, I always do like 1 or 2 drops of that one, and then maybe a couple drops of lavender or something like that. So for this type of recipe, I will do about 10 to 15 drops of the essential oils. And now I'm done. So next I'm just going to pour it into a foaming hand soap dispenser. And again, you can find this online. I'll put a link below in the description box. But also you just use a regular hand soap dispenser. And I would recommend putting it onto like one of those mesh poofy shower balls because it's going to help foam it and make it last a little bit longer. Now you're going to notice that it doesn't make a whole lot. And there is good reason for that. And that's because since it is a water-based product and bacteria can grow, I make it in small batches. Now, if you want to double this, you definitely can, and you can say put it in 2 different bathrooms. If you have a kid's bathroom and an adult's bathroom, you can definitely do that. But I do like to make this in small amounts. All right, I'm going to put the top on, and we're all done. Was that not so simple? And it foams so well, and it has such a good feeling to it. I just love it. And it'll help save you money, which is always a good thing, and it's totally natural. When it comes to scenting any type of body products or cleaning products, I always recommend getting 100% pure essential oils, and that's because any artificial fragrances can be hormone disrupting and contain a lot of not so nice chemicals. So if you are going to scent it with anything, because you can totally leave it just plain unscented, always make sure to grab 100% essential oils. Now if you deal with, say, really dry skin, especially over the winter, you can add a teaspoon of your favorite nourishing oil like avocado oil, apricot oil, almond, olive, any of those will work. I normally deal with really dry skin, and even without adding the oil, I feel like my skin feels moisturized. It doesn't feel dry at all. So I like it just the way it is, but you can definitely add a teaspoon of oil if you'd like. But that's it, super simple. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial today on how to make body wash. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you are new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I share 2 videos every week on simple recipes, DIY projects, and natural products. Thanks so much for stopping by. Like and share with your friends. Make yourself some soap.